So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make money on TikTok. So there's a few ways and avenues of you making money on TikTok. You just need to uh, use content that's going to get a lot of eyeballs on you. So the first way you can do that is considering the creator rewards program. So once you become a content creator on TikTok, you will need to check out the contents rewards program, and from there you can create your videos in line with the rewards you get for content creating on TikTok and basically becoming an influencer. So through there you can make some money. It's all about the agreement with TikTok that you have. For high performing content, you can then publish sponsored posts. Maybe you get a lot of people following you and you can post stuff that has advertisement in that, or that you're promoting some sort of product. You can also go on live streams and set up some sort of way of people to donate funds to you. So you may create a PayPal link, maybe Patreon or stuff like that, so people can just donate to you by going to your live stream, or they can just directly donate through the live stream as well. You just need to provide your payment information, and that's about it. Those are the three direct ways, but make sure that you can run affiliate marketing campaigns. So through there you can get gifts and you can get funds. So these are kind of the typical ways of getting money through TikTok. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on TikTok or some other topics you might find interesting as well. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.